It is.
Wow, 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 wow.
Like ripped everywhere.
Yeah.
I think I opened it, but it's like locked. You know, it was like wires.
Wow.
Oh, this is so pretty. Sorry, I didn't catch your name.
Martha.
Martha.
I go by Mali or Martha.
Okay.
Okay. And then
Wow.
Yeah, I want to see the downstairs.
Yeah, hold on. I need to record the master. I need to record the master because what? This is the other bathroom with the shower right here. This is one king size bed. That's the closet. The master though? What? Wow. There's a bathroom there. Look at this. Separate bathroom, jacuzzi and shower. What? But wait, there's more. This is the entryway. And you come over here. This is another twin bedroom. The bookshelf. The kitchen and living room. Dining room. Wow, wow, wow. Fireplace. TV. And we come down this corridor. Laundry. Oh my god, why are there more stairs upstairs? What? Okay. Another 2 bedrooms. I think this is also a king size bedroom, closet. And then this one shares a bathroom. That's the toilet and shower. And then we have this one right here. I think this, wow, this house is gorgeous. I'm curious about what is up these steps. What? Why is there a whole nother house up here? What? Yo. What the heck? Bathroom. Guys, this house is so huge. Now I understand the price. There's a little desk and TV, couch, sofa in another bedroom. I think this is the queen. Yeah, this is a queen size bedroom. Wow, wow.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, it's like the
That's gonna be so.
patio from upstairs, not even the backyard. Okay. All right. Oh my god. What? What the heck? What the heck? What's over here?
I think those are closed. They're locked.
Bro. This is a whole home theater. What? There's a whole pool table. Listen, it must pay to be rich, bro. This is crazy. Look at this type. What even is this? A poker table? I've never even seen that before. Oh, that's a generator. No. What? There's a moving bike. Oh my goodness. Yoga mats. Hello? This? Wow. There's like 8 different toilets. Oh, there's a little room here. Wow. I am impressed. This is amazing. Like what? Bro. Bedroom after bedroom after bedroom. There's like 9 bedrooms, fam. Legit.